So this is the Ninja Kitten's first encounter with Meowijuana. This is one of the boss's socks with the top cut off and filled with the Meowijuana. And Wells did not want to give it up. Oh boy. We're going to have a boxing match. So I guess Summer is kind of miffed that he wouldn't give it up, and when he accidentally lost it, then I think it's Utah that has it now. Yes, it's Utah. I think I'm going to have to get another sock and fill it with Meowijuana, because there seems to be a bit of a struggle over who's going to get the sack. What's going on, Summer? She's like, well, she's just going to wait and see what happens. Wells is getting an attitude. Lady Opal Moon is, she's like aloof and nonchalant. Oh, Wells is back for his turn. Give me the Meowijuana. Give me that Meowijuana. Oh, I thought, get it. Get it, Opal. Get it, Opal Moon. Get it. Take off with it while the boys are fussing and they don't notice what you're doing. Get it, get it. I thought she was going to get it. Get it, Lady Opal Moon, get it. The boys are distracted having a tussle. Oh, oh my goodness. So I would like to thank again our wonderful viewer who sent the Meowijuana. We still have plenty of it left that I can make more Sock It To Me toys. Oh, now the girls are at least going to get a chance to sniff it. I'd say that the Ninja Kittens... Oh, Summer got it. The boys are continuing to fight. Not fight. Wrestle. Tussle. Lady Opal Moon is like, man, there are drawbacks to being chill and aloof. Summer's like, I always come out on top. So, yeah. I'd say the Meowijuana is a big hit with all potential consumers here at Furry Feline Monsters of Mass Destruction. We thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subbing. If you haven't, please consider doing so. Hit that all notifications bell. Y'all come back now. Yeah, here. Say bye-bye, kitties. All right. Ninja Kittens with Meowijuana. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.